Guys, as you can see, we have roots. And it's all so cute in these delicious desserts. They look so tempting. So we're very excited to go and try everything out. So guys, before entering, I thought let's do a bit of spying. Let's go snoop around. Wait, I see my brother in there. What's he doing in there before me? Cheating! Okay, we gotta walk in there now. So guys, this place is so pretty. We thought let's go do a bit more snooping around. Let's go. We were going through and the menu is so extensive and so long. They like didn't miss any point in it. I say they have everything from milkshakes to sundaes to mocktails to sandwiches and waffles, waffle pops, miniature pancakes, Candycloud burritos. Well, they have burritos which have chocolate fillings in, which is made of cotton candy. And what else they don't have, I don't know. So like they have everything and we are so excited to try. So what we will be trying is the unicorn waffle, which is selected by me, the Oreo Candycloud burrito. Then my brother will be having very berry shortcake and our burritos are here. So guys, this is the Candycloud burrito in the flavor Oreo. A burrito which is surrounded by cotton candy and has the filling of Oreo. Can I eat? Wait, son. I am so excited. What will this taste like? Anybody wonder? A burrito made out of chocolate and cotton. Let's try it. Guys, I wasn't done having this amazing burrito till the time this and this just arrived on my table. A unicorn milkshake and a unicorn waffle. That was how can I eat so much? That was so I decided to give this to my brother. No. So guys, for all my brother's naughtiness, I thought to give him a small injection. Blood is coming! So guys, we won't stop. Let's continue our injection. We injected the injection. Proud of myself, of course. So guys, now we're gonna have the first bite. Hopefully I go to heaven. 3, 2, 1. I'm eating the lollipop of my ice cream. There was this green thing and the injection was nothing. It was inside this. So I was and I think to be dead. This has the world's most best taste ever. White chocolate, I love white chocolate. Unicorns, I love unicorns. Rainbow, I love rainbow. It's so good. It's the best. So guys, we thought we can ask these people who are making the cotton candy, chocolates, waffles, everything. A few questions about how it all works and everything. So let's start. Hi भैया, मैं आशी. तो मुझे आपसे थोड़े सवाल पूछने थे. आपकी सिग्नेचर डिश इधर क्या है?
मैम ये तो सिग्नेचर द कैंडीक्लाउड बुरीटोस मैम.
जो मैंने खाया था ओरियो वाला. That was so good. फिर इधर हम लोग पार्टी कर सकते हैं. बच्चे इधर पार्टीज होती है.
Yeah, we can celebrate some other parties.
My next birthday is happening here. और क्या क्या? ये सारी कॉटन कैंडीज और सब है. इन्हें बनाने में कितना टाइम लगता है?
कॉटन कैंडी बनाना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 to 5 मिनट. 3 to 5 मिनट.
बस इतना जल्दी बन जाता है. मुझे लगा बहुत घंटे लगते हैं क्यों नहीं घुमाते घुमाते. बहुत अच्छी जगह है. बहुत अच्छा खाना था. मुझे तो बहुत भाया. Thank you. So guys, this place was amazing, and now my brother's too obsessed with that lollipop. I don't know why, but let's carry on with what I was telling. So this place is a must visit. Everything here is delicious, and now we had so much sweet that let's have a bit of salty to balance this all off. That's it guys, bye. I will see you all in my next video. At this place you had to visit. It's amazing. Bye. And guys, one more thing. This place is in Koramangala. It's called Candycloud Factory. So come here. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, and visit here. Bye. I'll see you all in my next one, which I did.